In part 13, we're given that a jug has a volume of 1,000 centimetres cubed, the nearest 50 centimetres cubed. In part A, we have to write down the least and greatest possible volume of the jug. Well, the least possible volume can only be 975 centimetres cubed, and the greatest must be 1,025 centimetres cubed. That gives us the range of 50 centimetre cube difference there. Water is poured into a tank of volume 52 litres, to the nearest litre. Explain showing all your calculations why it is always possible to pour 50 full jugs into the tank without it overflowing. Well, we have to assume then that the tank must be at its minimum volume, which would therefore be 51.5 litres, which in centimetres cubed, which would be 51500 centimetres cubed. There are 1,000 centimetres cubed in a litre. And then we'll have to assume that the jug is at its greatest possible volume, because then we're pouring the greatest amount of water into the smallest possible tank. So the jug is at the maximum volume, which is 1,025 centimetres cubed, and we're going to pour in 50 jugs. A quicker way of doing this calculation would be to multiply by 100 and then dividing my answer by 2, which is slightly easier, and it still multiplies by 50. So multiplying by 100, you can see that we get 102,500, and then we just need to divide that by 2, which will give me 51,250 centimetres cubed. And as you can see, the jug, the maximum amount that we can pour into the tank, is less than the minimum tank volume. So that means we can always pour 50 jugs into the tank.